Today, we're going to guide you through mapping your Active Directory AD sourced manager to a Slack manager ID using Okta's expression language mapping. This is a handy trick for keeping your Slack and AD profiles seamlessly in sync. First, let's make sure your AD manager's format matches the required format for Slack's manager ID. It's crucial because any mismatch can stop the synchronization process. Also, your manager's profile must already exist in Slack and be connected to Active Directory via Okta. If you're facing issues with syncing, it might be due to incorrect formatting or because the manager's profile isn't in Slack yet. Now, let's jump into the process. Open your Okta admin dashboard and head over to Applications. Then, select your Slack application. Go to Provisioning and then to App. Here, under Slack Mapping, click on the Go to Profile Editor button. In the Profile Editor, click on Mappings and then select Okta User to Slack. Look for the Manager ID mapping in Slack. By default, it's usually set to user.manager or might not be mapped at all. To update this, use the mapping expression that you find in this video description or displayed on the screen. Test this new mapping with an AD-sourced user to make sure the correct manager value is picked up. Once you're confident it's working, click on Save Mapping and apply Update. And that's it. You've successfully mapped your AD manager to your Slack manager ID. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.